Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install the Google Wallet payment app on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Google App. After click on Google App and search Google Wallet. Click on Wallet and click on Google Wallet and click on Install. After click on Install and your Google Wallet app is installed according to your internet connection. After download app, click on Open. After click on Open, click on Allow and you will see Google Wallet app is installed. So that's how you can install the Google Wallet payment app on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.